Okay. Okay, so mathematical aptitude. So start with fraction. And whatever you will learn in mathematical aptitude, especially like average, then concept of fraction, then a summation of fraction, a subtraction of fraction, division, then multiplication, everything, including time and distance, everything is especially a percentage, fraction, and average. That concept will help you to solve the problem related to data analysis, data interpretation. So I will try to explain all this mathematical aptitude, all these parts in simple way. If you any problem, you can ask me. And data interpretation will be carrying 10 marks. So everything, whatever you learn in aptitude part will help you to solve the problem of data interpretation. So we start the fraction. Fraction means, suppose it is means part. It's not whole. It's a part. Suppose you have scored 93 in an exam. So how do you write it? 100 by 93. Out of 100 you are getting 93. We are writing it as 100 by 93. So 93 is not the entire part. The entire part was 100. Out of 100 you have scored 93. So we are writing as 93 by 100. Okay, or suppose there are 12 apple. Out of 12 apple, someone has given me 7 apple. If I write it in fraction, that how many apple he has given me? 12 out of, sorry, 7 out of 12. So this is not a full number. Even 7 is not a full number here if you compare it with the actual full system or full number or the full entity. That is a 12. So out of 12, it is 7. Out of 100, I am scoring 93. So this is called fraction. So fraction means it's a part of a entire system. It's not the complete thing. If it is complete, then it will be 1. If 100 out of 100, it will be 1. It will be full. Okay. So fraction is in the upper side there will be some number, down also there will be some number. So the whatever is in the upper part, it is called numerator. And down there it is denominator. Clear? So out of 100, if you are getting 93, so 93 is your numerator and 100 is your denominator. Now there are some types of fraction. One is called common fraction. Common fraction. So whatever fraction we are seeing are called common fraction with a numerator and denominator. Okay. Suppose it may be 7 by 2, it may be 2 by 7, it may be 10 by 3, it may be 9 by 12, anything. So these are called common fraction. Then another thing is called proper fraction. If in proper fraction, if numerator is less than denominator, suppose 1 by 2, 2 by 3, or 6 by 11, like this. These are called proper fraction. Okay. Then improper fraction. Improper means reverse. So the numerator will be greater than denominator. Means it may be 3 by 2 or 11 by 6 or 17 by 11, like this. These are called improper fraction. Now you can convert the improper fraction into another fraction. It is called mixed fraction. Suppose I am writing 3 by 2. Now you can write it as, suppose 3 is greater than 2. If you divide 3 by 2, so it will be divided by 1 time, it will come as 2 by 2, 1 will be the remainder. So this 1, it will come here, then 2 is down there, this 2 will come here, this there. So if you convert it again, it's 2 into 3. So it it is called mixed fraction. It is the combination of a full number, whole number, and a proper fraction. Okay, 1.5. So it is called mixed fraction. Similarly, 7 by 6, like then 1. Okay. Now this will come here, the a full number, entire number. Then 6 will come down there. 6 is down the numerator, denominator part, and this one will come here. So 6 by 7 and these are same. So an improper fraction can be represented as mixed fraction also, and this is called fraction. Mixed fraction is the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. So these are basic concept and reciprocal. These are 4 types of fractions we are having. Now another concept is called reciprocal. What is reciprocal? Suppose there is a fraction anything called 3 by 5. What will be the reciprocal of 3 by 5?
By 3.
Reciprocal means reverse. Simply reverse. So the multiplication of a fraction and its reciprocal is how much?
Is it 1?
1. Multiplication of a fraction and its reciprocal means 5 by 3. So 3 cancel, 5 cancel, it will be 1. Okay. Suppose a number, if I write another example, okay. This is reciprocal. Okay. The concept of reciprocal is clear. It is just the reverse, nothing else, just reverse. Now another thing, suppose 7. This is the entire full number, whole number, that is. Each and every whole number is having 1 as its denominator. If you write 1 or not, it doesn't matter. That's why we don't write. So you can write it as like this also. Sometimes it will be useful to solve some problems, but each and every whole number is having 1 as the denominator. Okay, so 7 by 1 and 7 are same only, but 7 and 7, 1 by 7 are not same. Okay. Now we'll start solving problem. Suppose first we'll learn addition. Suppose there is a fraction, addition of fraction. Suppose 2 by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 6. Not 3 by 6 or 1 by 6. 1 by 6. So add them. How to add them?
LCM, sir.
LCM. We have to take the LCM, means least common multiplier. The common multiplier we have to find out. Common multiplier means a number which is divisible by all the 3 number. The least number which is divisible by all the 3 number. How to find out that LCM? You write this all these 3 denominator like this. Now 2 and 6, they are even number, na? So those can be divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 3 is not divided by 2, so write it as 3. Then 2 3s are 6. Now I can write 3 1, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So now you multiply all these numbers, 2 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 1 like this. So it will be 6. So 6 will come as the, means 6 is the LCM, is least common multiplier. This is the minimum number, minimum list. This is the least number which is divisible by all these 3 denominator, 2, 3 and 6. Okay. Now what to do? If you want to add them, now divide this 6 by 2. It will be 3. Then 3 into 1. It will be 3. So then 3 into 1. So it will be 3 plus 2 plus 1. So it will give you how much?
6 by 6, which is 1.
Which is 1. Okay. So like this you have to add the same theory will go for subtraction also. Just the sign will be changed. Okay. Now multiplication. Suppose 5 by 3 into 3 by 10. Okay. In case of multiplication, simple. The denominators, the numerators will get multiplied, and the denominators will get multiplied. Okay, with each other to each other. So simply it will come as 3, 3, 1, 2. It will come as half. Okay. Any doubt?
Oh, yeah.
Even if it is 3 by 5, 5 by 3 into suppose 30, what will be the result?
50, sir.
50, because 1 is down there. Okay, so 3 times are 30, 30 is up, 1 is down there, always 1 is down there, so it will be 10 into by 50. Okay, now another problem. Suppose division. Now division. Suppose you write 5 by 12 divided by 5 by 12. How will you divide? There is a small
Take the
change.
reciprocal of the second value, second fraction, and then we multiply the
Yes,
first
yes,
fraction.
yes. So in case of division, the first fraction will remain same. Then this division sign will get multiplied. Okay, it will be multiplication sign. Then then it will be the reciprocal of the next fraction. So it will be 12 by 5. So it will give you 1. Cancel 1. Okay, means 5 by 12, then 12 by 5. Okay, 5 by 12, this division sign will be converted to multiplication sign, then the reciprocal of the next one. Okay, like this. So same only, this procedure and this procedure same only. So the in case of division, this sign will get multiplied, will be converted into multiplication sign, and then the next fraction will be the reciprocal of the this one. Okay, so in this way you have to multiply and divide. So this is the division of fractions. Okay, now slowly we'll start. We are starting from the concept, basic concept, so that you don't face any problem in, especially during the data interpretation part, because it will get 10 marks. Okay, now multiply again. 2 by 5 multiply by 5 and 1/4. What is the result? 2 by 5 into
21 by 10.
20. Acha. So it will be 2 4 are 2, then 21 by 10. Any doubt?
No, bhaiya.
Okay. Next, divide 3 by 10 by 1/4 of 3 by 5. This is the question. Divide 3 by 10. Divide 3 by 10 by 1/4 of 3 by 5. What is the answer?
18 by 25.
Okay, let's see. So they have asked you divide this one. Divide this one means divide 10 by 2. It will be 10 by 2. So it will be 5 like this. So divide 3 by 10 by how much? 1/4 of 3 by 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So it will give you 3 by 10 divided by 3 by 20, right? Okay.
The
The
answer
next part
is
is very simple. 3 by 10 will remain same
Two.
20 by 3.
into 20 by 3. Now, how much is remaining after cancelling everything? 2. So it will not come as 18 by 25. It will be 2. Clear?
Yes, Bhaiya, it's clear.
Okay. Now do this one. Solve this one.
Eight by seven.
Okay. So it will be 7 by 2, then into 1 by 4, right? 7 by 8, na?
Yeah, 7 by 8.
Okay. Now we'll move towards the next problem. See, 1 by 8 of a number. This types of problem will come in the exam. Number equals 1 minute. Charge is putting the tool charging. 1 minute. 1 by 8 of a number equal to 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 20. What is the number? Okay, options 64, 70, then 49, then 56. Okay, these are the options. See, 1 by 8 of a number. 1 by 8 of a number equals to this one,
60.
2 by 5 divided by 1 by 20. What is the
64,
number?
bhaiya.
Huh?
64.
Okay, 64, right? Okay. See, suppose if the number is anything like if the number is n, number n, suppose. So they have asked you 1 by 8 of how much? N is equal to, this is what they have told, 2 by 5 divided by how much? 1 by 20. Okay, now obviously it will be n by 8 is equal to how much? 2 by 5 into, like this, it will be 4. So obviously n by 8 equal to 8. So now in that case, if there is equal sign, there's a equation basically. There will be equal sign. Both sides there are some fractions or some numbers will be there. So obviously under every number there is one as new denominator. So in that case, in case of equation, you just multiply the numerator of right hand side with the denominator of left hand side, just diagonal, and denominator of right hand side with the numerator of left hand side. So it will be n into 1 equal to n is equal to 8. It's a 64. Okay, any doubt?
No, bhaiya.
Okay. Okay, then another problem we'll do. One minute. In a class, a class, 3/5 of the students are girls and rest are boys. If 2/9 of the girls and 1/4 of the boys are absent, then what part? See this thing carefully. What part? What part of the total? See these words carefully. The total number of students is present. Okay. See, in a class, 3/5 of the students, that will tell you the total number of students. You have to assume out of the total students, 3/5 of the students are girls and rest are boys. If out of the total girls, 2/9 of them are absent, and out of the total boys, 1/4 of the boys are absent, then what part of the total number? Okay, this is the thing you have to see carefully. What part of the total number of students is present? Options are 17/25, 18/49, 23/30, then 23/36. These are the options. Now try to solve. How to solve this question? I can give you a hint. You can assume that the total number of student is 100. Even you can solve it by assuming total number of students as 1 also. But you can assume it as 100 also. Any clue? Okay. Suppose, let assume total number of students is equal to 100. Suppose. Okay. According to the question, number of girls is how much?
3/5.
3/5, right? To 100, 3/5 of 100. Okay, so it will be how much? 60.
60.
Okay, is this much clear?
Yes.
I have assumed that total number of students is 100. Out of 100, according to the question, 3/5 is the girls. So what is the number of boys?
40.
Obviously, so either you do it as a 100. How much? For rest are boys. Rest are boys means out of 100, 60 are girls, so 40 are boys. Okay. Now, second part. Absent of girl, the number of girls, those who are absent is how much? 2/9. Na? 2/9 of the girls and 1/4 of the boys are absent. Okay. Now, absent. Those who are absent. Girls How much? 2 by 9th of how much?
60.
So it will be 20, 40 by 3, right? And boys, 1/4 of
Sir,
40,
7 by 15 is the answer, sir.
7 by
15.
okay, let's see.
15,
Okay,
sir,
total number of
1,
boys
5, 1, 5.
1 5. Okay, we'll see. So total number of boys, those who are absent,
10.
10. So suppose out of 100 students, 30 girls and 20 boys are absent. Okay, what is the number of students those are absent? 20 plus 30, right?
Yeah.
Clear, na? So I'll find out. First, I'll find out number of students those are absent. Total absent. How much? 40 by 3 plus 10. So it will be 70. How much it will come? 3 is the LCM. Then 40 plus 30. It will be 70 by 3, right?
Yeah.
Total absent. Okay, now total present. They have asked you what part of the total number are present. So you have to find first. You have to first find out what is the total number of students those who are present. Suppose out of 100, now you know, out of 100, 30 girls and 20 boys are absent. So what is the total 15 girls are 50 students are absent. So what is the total number of students who are present? 100 minus 50 equal to 50, right? So like this, we have to find out. So total number of students who are present, total present. See, total was 100, absent is 70 by 3, boys plus girls. Okay, so it will give you, this will be 300, right? Minus 70. So 230 by 3. This is the total number of students present in the class. Now the question is, means out of 100, now suppose 46 students are present. They have asked you what is the, what part of the total number of students is present? Means it is like that you have scored 19 in exam or 95, 98 in exam. What part of the total number you have scored? What will be the answer? Suppose you have scored 98 or 97 in an exam. If I ask you what part of a total number, what part of the total number have you scored?
98 should be
98,
plus
98,
percent.
98
by
98
100.
by 100.
by 100. Yes, by 100. This is no what part of the total number. You did not score 100 out of 100. You have scored a part of total number. So 98 is a part of total number. If it is close, it is closer to 100, but it is a part. Still, it is a part. Even 99.5, it is a part. So you can write it like this: 99 suppose by 100. What part of the total number you have scored? 99. What part of total number is 100? So like this, part of, what part of the total number? Part of the total number present. How much? This is the present number of students present. What part of total number? On it will be out of 100. It will be out of 100. What part of total number? Total number is 100. What part means out of 100? So it is 230 by 3. That is the number of students present in the class divided by the total number. Okay. So 230 by 3 into, it will be 1 by 100. Division, na? It is division. Yeah, you can write it 99 by 100. You can write it 99 divided by 100. Na? So it will give you 23 by 30. Now see, is it clear?
Yes, dear.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, Bhaiya, it's clear.
Okay. Another
Yes, sir.
method you can apply. Another method you can apply. Instead of 100, you can assume that 1. In case of fraction, 1 is the full number. Okay. So if you consider that total student is 1, total student is equal to 1, a second procedure, then girls is equal to how much? 350. They have told
3 by
350.
5.
So obviously it will be 3 by 5 only. And boys, how much? Out
2
of
by
1.
5. 2 by
Out
5.
of 1. So 1 minus 3 by 5. It will be 2 by 5. Okay. Now fraction of student absent. Okay. Absent, girls absent. How much girls are absent? Absent girls. 2 by 9, na? 2 by 9 of how much?
2 by 9 of
3
1.
by 5.
3 by 5 of
3 by
girls.
5.
Yeah.
So it will
Yeah.
give you how much? It will give you 3 3s, hai na? So 2 by 15.
15.
Okay. Okay. Now boys, how many boys are absent? 1/4 of how much?
1/4 of 2 by 5,
So it will give you
which is 1 by
again
10.
1 by 10. Okay. Total absent is how much?
2 by 15 plus 1 by 10.
Okay. Now calculate how much it will give you. Find the LCM of 10 and
7 by
16.
30.
5, 7 by 30.
30.
Okay. Okay. It will give you 5, 3 and 2. 30. So it will give you 3, 6 plus
6, 3, 3, 9. 9 by 12.
9 by 30.
3 by 10.
So it will be 1 minute. It is 4 na? Is it 4? It is 4 na? 15 to the
Yes,
30.
4
15
plus
to the
3 is
30.
7.
15 to the 30. Then 2 into 2, 4. So it will be 7 by
4,
30.
30. That's what I was thinking.
Okay.
Yeah. 7 by
It
30.
is 7 by 30. So 7 by 30 is the number of students who are absent.
Absolutely.
Now present, total present. How much?
1 minus 7 by
1
30.
minus 7 by 30. So see, 30 minus 7. It will also give you 23 by 30. So this will be answer. Already it is in percentage. It is in fraction. Already it is represented at the part of total number.
Yes, please.
So this is another procedure. Okay, any doubt?
With 1, it's easier, I think. I feel with 1,
Yes,
it's easier.
yes. In fraction, in this kind of problem, you can solve any problem of fraction in 2 ways. Either you assume the total number as x or anything, or 100 or 1.
Yeah.
So there are 3 ways you can solve. You can use any
Sir,
one.
actually, this much time we will not have it now, sir, while solving. Any shortcut method?
I am actually showing so that your concept can be clear. Because there may be students from different background. That's why I am explaining in details. In exam, I will also
No,
solve
I am
in.
not asking in that sense, sir. I am
Yes,
just
yes.
asking, is there any shortcut method to reach out?
This is the shortcut. Whatever I am writing now, in 5 to 10 minutes, now you can write it in 1 minute only. Total number is, suppose total number is mentally you have to calculate then in that situation. So total number, if you 100 is the total number, then 60 will be girls, 40 will be boys. Obviously, then the next part, total number of absent you have to calculate. It will be 40 by 3 plus 10. It will give you 70 by 3. You know? So the next will be 230 by 3. If you want to find out the total number of present, so it will be 100 minus this one, it will be 230 by 3. The part will be this one. So 230 by 300. Cut 23 by 30. So like this.
Okay.
Depends on practice. Mentally you have to be very fast. Then another problem. Suppose 3/5 fifth of a group of children are girls. If there are 24 girls, if there are 24 girls, how many children are there in the group? You have to find total number of children. Options are
30.
30, 32, 40, 42, 36. Okay. So 3/5 of a group of children are girls. And if there are 24 girls, then what is the total number of children? Suppose
30.
40,
total
40, sir.
40. One answer is 40. Another answer is 30. Okay. Suppose if X is the total number of girls, let's say, then
Sorry, I'm wrong.
the 3/5 of
Answer is 30, sir.
40, 30. Okay.
30,
40.
30.
Answer is 40.
So total 3x by, if I say that X is the total number of girls in the group, then 3x by 5 is the number of girls. According to the question, it is 24. So 3x by 5 equal to 24. Simple shortcut. 3x by 5 equal to 24. It will give you x equal to 24 into 5 by 3. 3 is the 8 is the 40. Any doubt?
No, we are.
Okay. So from tomorrow we'll solve more problem. 1 or 2 days we'll spend on this fraction part. After this, we'll start the next part, that is time and distance or percentage. We'll start. Okay, so any doubt in today's class?
No, we are.
Okay, then we'll end this class here for today. In the next class we'll meet again. Hariyo, namaste.
Thank you,
Namaste,
sir.
Via. Thank you, Via.
Thank you.
Thank you.